everybody, I am Kate Bradford. I am in criminal justice, and I'm going to talk for a few minutes about Microsoft Teams. So we all have access to Microsoft Teams through our Okta link, through our apps that we have. We have it, students have it, staff has it. So when I log into Office 365, this is what I see. Down here on the left-hand side, you see the logo for Teams. I'm going to click on that. It opens up. These are all of the teams that I'm a part of. You can also create a new team, and it's really easy to add people to that team if you're on a committee or a work group, or just within the faculty within your department. So I'm going to go to the Criminal Justice Club. It's a club I'm an advisor for. We have our conversations down at the middle of the screen, but I'm going to focus more on the meeting aspect. So we see Lisa here has said, "Good afternoon, Kate." Lisa is faculty within our department, and she helps out with running the Criminal Justice Club. So I'm going to say, I'm going to ask her if she has a few minutes to talk. So Lisa's able to talk. So I can come over here. I could just hit that, but I will show you. You can choose either to meet now or to schedule later. So I'm going to hit meet now. And I'm going to call Lisa. Hey, Lisa.
Hi, can you see me?
I can see you. Can you see me?
I can, perfect.
Okay, great. Well, thanks so much for helping me show how to use Teams.
You're so welcome. Is that all you needed?
That's all I need. I just need your pretty face.
So I hope you took notes and you can send them to me so I can do it with my students.
Okay. I will send you the link for this.
Okay.
Okay.
All right,
Bye.
bye. Thank you.
And then you hang up. So pretty easy in terms of the getting it started, going through it. Now, if I wanted to schedule a meeting, I could also hit schedule a meeting. The great thing about scheduling a meeting is that you are able to access your calendar. So if I want to schedule a meeting for tomorrow, I know, I can figure out what time I'm available. If I want to schedule a meeting for right now, right, I know that I'm available, and then you see 2 out of 3. You can't see their people's calendars, but you can see 2 out of 3 if I have Lisa and then maybe Professor Dewey as another attendee are available during that time. So that's it for Microsoft Teams. I hope that this helped.